everyone! Today, I would like to explain the construction process called shunsetsu, so-called dredging, that is being conducted at Kobe Port. Have you ever heard of dredging? To put a large ship into the port, seabed must be dredged to increase the water depth. Also, as soil, sand, and mud flow into the port, the water depth gradually becomes shallow and affects the navigation of the ship. Therefore, it is necessary to remove sediments on the seabed regularly. The process of digging and removing the sediments is called shunsetsu, so-called dredging, and it is to remove the sediment on the seabed in port. Dredging is an essential task to protect the port and allow the ships to navigate safely. Here at Kobe Port, dredging is being conducted to adapt the increase in the size of container ship. Today, I would like to talk about the grab dredging method that is being conducted at Kobe Port. First of all, I would like to explain in detail the spud-type grab dredger, Wakawa Shimaru. At this site, dredging with a depth of 16 meters are being carried out. As well, Wakawa Shimaru is able to dredge under 60 meters. Moreover, lifting capacity is 110 tons. Wakawa Shimaru is a hybrid system equipped with an environmentally friendly engine and a generator motor. Considering the soil on this site is clayey and soft, and the thickness of the soil to be dredged is thin, a flat-bottom wide-type grab bucket is used. Bucket weight is approximately 65 tons and is able to catch 30 cubic meters soil at a time. The crane and grab bucket is operated at this operator's room. The room is equipped with a system to control the position and depth of dredging. To fixate the position of the dredger, a 38 meters long spud is pierced into the seabed. Alternatively, the anchor wire method can be used to stabilize the dredger, but spuds methods are used in places with heavy ship traffic, such as sea routes. Here, the captain gives instructions for all operations. The dredger working and spud operations are also conducted here. Next, let's look at the dredging process. Move the dredger to the target location and pierce the spud to the seabed and fix the dredger. Sink the grab bucket to the seabed and grab the sand. Load the collected sand to the transport barge. The sand loaded on the barge are transported to the reclamation area and dumped. These are the main work processes which are repeated day by day at different locations. This way, the ship is able to navigate safely by removing sediment on the seabed, allowing a large ship to enter the port, and maintaining the sea depth. Such important and invisible work is being carried out underwater. Next, let's take a closer look at the movement of the grab bucket. There are two methods of collecting sand, which are fixed position digging and horizontal digging. Let's see the movement of each grab bucket. In case of fixed position digging, the middle part of the grab bucket remains at an angle. On the other hand, in case of horizontal digging, the depth of the tip of the grab bucket is controlled when closing the grab bucket after lowering the grab bucket to the stopping position. This makes it possible to grab the soil while keeping the digging trace horizontal, providing more efficiency and accuracy more than fixed size method. Therefore, horizontal digging is used for the final stages of the dredging. Wakawa Shimaru can control the orientation of the grab bucket. In the conventional method, when the crane is moved to the left and right, the grab bucket also moves in the same way, creating a digging mark in the shape of a fan, Japanese sensu, and consecutive digging marks tend to overlap. On the other hand, the new method can control the orientation and always keeps an optimal angle of the grab bucket regardless of the movement of the crane, so the overlapping portion of the digging marks becomes smaller and the dredging efficiency can be improved. How was it? Do you now understand dredging and how grab dredging is done? In order to allow the ship to navigate safely, dredgers are the backseat player unsung heroes of the sea where we usually cannot see, protecting the port and our safety.